Comparing yourself to others is something almost everyone does. It's natural to notice what others have or achieve. But when comparing takes over, it can make you feel unhappy, insecure, and stuck. Here are some simple steps to help you stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on your own path. Step 1. Understand that everyone's journey is different. No two people have the exact same life. Everyone has different experiences, struggles, and opportunities. What you see on the outside is often only a small part of the whole story. Remember, comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel is not fair to you. Step 2. Focus on your own progress. Instead of looking at what others have, pay attention to what you have done and how far you have come. Celebrate your small wins and improvements. Set your own goals based on what matters to you, not what others expect or have achieved. Step 3. Limit social media time. Social media often shows the best parts of people's lives, which can make you feel like you're missing out or not good enough. Try to limit how much time you spend on social media. Use it in a positive way. Follow accounts that inspire and motivate you, not those that make you feel bad about yourself. Step 4. Practice gratitude every day. Take a few moments each day to think about what you are thankful for. This could be your health, family, friends, skills, or any good thing in your life. Gratitude helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, making you feel more content. Step 5. Remember your unique strengths. Everyone has something special about them. Think about your talents, qualities, and things you enjoy. When you focus on your strengths, you build confidence and stop feeling the need to compare yourself to others. Step 6. Be kind to yourself. Stop being your own worst critic. Treat yourself with the same kindness and patience you would give to a friend. Understand that it's okay to make mistakes and learn at your own pace. Final thought. Comparing yourself to others only steals your joy and energy. Focus on your own growth and happiness. Your journey is unique and valuable. When you stop comparing, you open the door to peace and self-love.